Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's new video, I am creating a logo named Lifeguard. For that, I am drawing these rough concepts, sketches. In Lifeguard, I want to create a combination of shield and a leaf. So, I am exploring different ways to sketch it out. And this combination of leaf and the shield should merge in a way that it doesn't look like it was forced or intentionally mixed up. So let's see how this turns out. The initial concepts are a bit rough. It is not guaranteed to turn out neat right away, but the efforts is ongoing. Now in this, I have placed the shield on the back side and drawn the leaf over it. Let's see which other combination works. A design should not just look good, it should also convey a good meaning and neatly reflect the brand. In this one, I have taken the leaf slightly turn. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but you just have to keep trying. You can't show too many variations within the shield itself, which is why we have to stick to one basic shape and just tweak the alignment a bit. As you keep creating, new ideas keep popping up. Now in this one, I have kept the leaf straight right in the middle, setting the axis at 90 degrees. I will draw a line through the center and add the veins lines. The sketching process takes time. You don't get immediate results. You have to draw many sketches and slowly ideas start coming to your mind about what could work and what couldn't. Then you keep developing those ideas. In the end, the concept that emerges are usually quite good and unique. There are no shortcuts to this process, so you just have to keep creating. An idea doesn't just appear at the press of button. As you keep drawing, new things will keep emerging. You will notice that every concept might have one good element, but some points might lack balance. Still, we keep making them, and gradually, something unique takes place. Sometimes complexity increases as well, but you have to keep filtering things out. This is mainly to brainstorming ideas, it is not the final execution. Now, this is the new concept. I am trying to bring variations into as well. You might see a gradual changes happening. Slight improvements like these keep transforming our sketches. This project this project isn't final yet. It is a long process of skill development. The more you create and the more sketches you draw, the more process get refined and the work improves. In this one, I have used a new approach by incorporating negative space. The shade in the background will be black, and if look good, we can turn it into a vector later. There are no shortcuts to any process. It slowly takes shape and develops. But putting in consistent efforts is what is important. Going after absolute perfection every single time doesn't always make sense. In pursuit of perfection, you end up wasting a lot of time. So just keep creating and things will gradually improve. Now look at this. This one looks quite better than the first concept. The use of negative space here works well. Changes can still be made at the vector stages after this, so even this isn't strictly final. Minor refinements bring more ideas as you keep drawing them on paper. This feels like a quite distinct concept. So far, I have done about 5 concepts and we will make 2 more because I just got 2 more ideas. Also, this video is bit blurry, so please bear with me. Since I don't have much experience with shooting and I'm new to this, the focus didn't turn out properly. But you could roughly see the concept in the background. In this one, we have used a minimalistic style. We didn't add too many details, but it gives a nice modern minimalistic look. Further refinements can happen at the vector stage. I quite like this one. Now let's make a last one. I got an idea where we can create the entire shape using a single continuous line, meaning the shield and the leaf will be formed in a single line, which also looks quite unique. So as you keep making 7, 10 or 15 sketches, it gradually becomes prettier and more polished. The initial concept might look not as great, but if you look at the last 2 3, they look very polished. I feel this last one could potentially be finalized if client agrees. I have used a more symmetrical design in this one. So let me know if you like my video, and if there are any improvements needed, please share that too. Thank you.